In the hills of Sattal, where dawn softly breaks, the morning light dances on crystal clear lakes. Bird calls echo through the pines and the mist, a harmony of colors no heart can resist. A brown-fronted woodpecker in the morning light, white-crested laughing thrush with crest so bright, a greater yellow nape on the tip of the stump, and lesser yellow nape, you sure hold the trump. Bird song in Sattal, music in the air, a symphony of feathers beyond compare. Each note a brushstroke, painting the serene in the hills of Sattal, where the birds convene. Rusty cheek babbler, will you sing for me? Oh, beautiful, barbed, colorful bird to see. Hello, red-billed blue magpie, you have an awesome tale. White-throated laughing thrush, we're plenty on the trail. Oh, red-billed electrics, what songs you sing so clear. Blue-winged miller-deer, don't fly away in fear. Street-laughing thrush you see, grabbing the spotlight. Blue whistling thrush below, a mellow tune to delight. Bird song in Sattal, music in the air, a symphony of feathers beyond compare. Each note a brushstroke, painting the serene in the hills of Sattal, where the birds convene. Chestnut-bellied nuthatch here, a busy little fella. Gray-headed woodpecker draped in colors so mellow. And this gray-winged blackbird, grayscale to the core. Himalayan woodpecker, great memory to store. Rufous-bellied woodpecker, a rare sight to see. And this crested kingfisher on a rock carefree. Yellow-throated martin visiting feathered friends. This little barking deer, in the woods it blends. Bird song in Sattal, music in the air, a symphony of feathers beyond compare. Each note a brushstroke, painting the serene in the hills of Sattal, where the birds convene. Hopeless peasant in an early morning light, Himalayan bulbul draped in black and white. A white-browed babbler here, a good bird to sight. Siberian stonechat here, why are you so uptight? Himalayan black lord tipped, you really were a hit. And a tiny greenback tit, you also did your bit. Himalayan ruby throat, what a striking bird. Black-headed jay ahead, please let your calls be heard. Bird song in Sattal, colors in the air, a symphony of feathers beyond compare. Each note a brushstroke, painting the serene in the hills of Sattal, where the birds convene.